Hiya, why did I boil first? Okay? I should have fried the stuff first.
Oh no! Usually not, we start with that first.
Yeah, today, never mind, I poured the soup out first.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the prawn so little!
You come and taste and see.
It's macam not bad.
Hi everyone, so today is first day of the extended MCO, which means today is the first day of the third week of MCO. I've just cooked dwaenjang jigae, a pretty sad looking dwaenjang jigae because we don't have much ingredients and we just used whatever that we have. But of course with the dwaenjang and the soybean paste. Bought that before I ran out of stock. And yep, waiting to have a con call with the team. John is setting up. Can I have a con call with him? I don't know how is everybody keeping up though. For the past 2 weeks I actually feel okay. I really feel fine being at home for 2 days. I just went out like twice I think to run down to get some groceries, then yeah, that's it. Other than that, I just chill at home, do some work, watch some stuff, programs, TV shows. I'm really so far so good, perfectly fine. These upcoming 2 weeks, I don't know how I'll be. Yesterday I sort of went a little bit crazy. The government actually did mention that let's say Malaysians still do not cooperate fully, they might need to extend the MCO even more.
Level is down. Wait, sexy lady!
But anyway, I ran out to do some quick grocery shopping because I had to send some stuff to Paul. So since I've already went down, I had a mask on and everything, I don't want to waste it, so I might as well just go grab things that I need for groceries. I bought this bread from ShopSmart because Gardenia's bread is all out of stock. And then I went to my news. They actually have this new thing. It's this sandwich loaf bread. It's $6.90 for this big, which is really huge. So yeah, I got this and also this. I thought I might as well just grab another one so that I could just stuff it into the fridge and eat this throughout the whole entire week. I bought tomato sauce because we ran out of it. I want to do my sweet and sour whatever dish. Then I also bought chili sauce actually because we don't have chili sauce anymore. And then got this milk because my farm fresh beloved milk no more. And then I got chocolate milk as well, and then some bread. I got some dwaenjang thingy, if you can see. I think that's for like to make Hainanese chicken rice kind of thing. But yeah, thankfully that's it. Cut it off. What song is this? I think I found a Bobby! I think it is! I think I found it! I just need to see. Yeah, I think I found it! Yeah, she had a girl on. Oh! Eh? It was a little girl who came out and prayed in the mosque. I thought it was an adult. I think it's this one. It's correct. I remember that it was damn colorful when she came in. 맞네. 찾았어. Yay! I don't know. If don't have I mean they have a full high quality video on YouTube lah.
Oh, okay lah.
Who the actor is? His name is Salman Khan. Bajrangi. Tadok. Tak dok.
Bajrangi Baijan is it?
Yeah. Hope so. They're on YouTube. Okay, shall I watch that on YouTube? Yay! The scene that I remember in the train, and the little girl escaped later. Yes. What? Oh shit! There's no sub. Oh no! Oh! Not our luck today, I think. 我的妈呀. Hi. So I thought that it's gonna be a little bit weird for me to end the video just like that yesterday. But yeah, anyway, the Hindi movie that I've been wanting to watch, that I've been searching for I don't know how long, finally found it, but there's no sub. I cannot understand Hindi. So yeah, after that I ended up watching a Korean movie that was acted by Chung Hae-in and Kim Go-eun. Actually, the reason why I watched that movie is also because of cast. I like both of their acting. I would say that the storyline is actually a very slow paced. For me, it revolves around like the innocence of a person and also like the first love, that kind of thing. And what I noticed is that there's actually very little dialogue involved. They really used a lot of cinematography, body language and expressions and all that to tell the story. Overall, I like it. I mean, besides the cast, the story is not bad. I wouldn't say that it's very great, but it's not bad. It's something that I'll watch. But then certain parts are quite slow that I got a little bit impatient, so I ended up just fast forwarding. And that's it. That's for yesterday's day 15. Hope that everyone is coping well with the extended MCO. I know that things will be difficult for certain people and for businesses. It's not easy, but let's hope that more Malaysians will cooperate and this thing will end by 14th of April. We can do it!